I paid 5 designers to design the same logo at 5 different price points, starting at $10, going all the way up to $900. And I need this logo ASAP because next week on Tuesday, I'm launching version 3.0 of my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Product Formula, where I teach people how to create a product and sell it on Amazon so they can make passive income. So I gave all the designers the same exact instructions and I got very different results, and I'll share what the instructions were in just a minute. Let's get started with the first logo that I paid $10 for from the website Fiverr. And this logo is terrible. With logo design, it's true that you get what you pay for. And Fiverr.com is a cheap place that you can go to get logos made. And there are some designers on this platform that are absolutely amazing. But for the purposes of this video, I went with the cheapest designer I could find on Fiverr.com. And throughout this video, as we move up our price point for logo design, we're also going to try out different platforms to help you decide which platform you should use to find a designer, including Fiverr, Upwork, OnlineJobs.ph, Friend Referral, and 99 Designs. But before we get into that, here's the description of the logo I wanted. I told the designer I want to get a logo for my Amazon FBA course, the Passion Product Formula. This is a program where I teach people how to create a product that they're passionate about. I then teach them how they can manufacture this product and sell it on Amazon to make over $100,000 per year passive income. And if you're new to this channel, this is what I talk about and teach on this channel, so make sure to subscribe. I also tell the designers that they can learn more about my program by going to my website, passionproductformula.com, and that I'd like the logo to be inspiring and ideally include the idea of formula or passion if possible. I also told the designers that I'd like orange, blue, or red to be incorporated in the logo. I posted this description on Fiverr, and I had around 50 different designers submit their bid for my project. And if you are going to go with a website like Fiverr, I highly recommend looking at every single designer and looking at their portfolio of work. I did not do that for this video. I picked the person whose title said, I will make all kind of logo. So that definitely should have been a red flag, but I wanted to see what kind of a logo you can get for cheap, and it turns out it's not very good. There are a lot of great designers on Fiverr, and if you look through all the portfolios, sometimes you can find a great designer at a reduced price with this website. And if you want me to do a complete video just comparing different price points on Fiverr designers, hit the like button. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll make that video. And if you do want to try out Fiverr, there's a link down below that will give you $5 in free Fiverr credit. Next up, for $50, I got this logo made from Upwork.com. And already you can see that this logo is a lot better than the $10 logo. And yes, it's 5 times the price, but the $10 logo isn't really something that I could use, especially for a premium Amazon FBA course that I'm trying to show that this is a high quality program. So at $50, this isn't bad, but it's still not quite what I want. The same thing I mentioned about Fiverr applies to Upwork. You can find a really amazing designer at a discount, but you're gonna have to put in the work to sort through all the different portfolios and really search for that perfect designer for you. But next up, for $100, I had all these logos done. And this next website is my favorite website for finding a virtual assistant. You can find someone that will work full-time just for you for around $3 to $5 per hour. And it's called OnlineJobs.ph. And hiring my first virtual assistant using this website completely changed my life. Think about all the extra work that you're doing that you don't really need to do, that someone else could do for you. Well, if you could hire someone for $3 to $5 an hour to do all that work, I bet you probably would. And I did an hour-long tutorial video showing you how you could hire your first virtual assistant. I'll link that video up here. And you can hire workers in the Philippines to do just about anything for you. For instance, all my video editing is done by a team of video editors that I hired from this website. I've also hired people to run my social media, respond to frequently asked questions or frequently asked emails, handle all my customer service, and basically do everything for me that I don't want to do myself. So I can focus on doing what I love, like making these YouTube videos. So I ended up hiring a full-time graphic designer to help with my thumbnails and help edit videos. So I told him I need a logo for the Passion Product Formula, and here are all the logos that he came up with. And these logos are a lot better than what I've been getting so far. You can see that he used the orange in a really cool way. He also included the PPF logo into a cube, which you could think about almost as like a little Amazon box. And he created a hexagon ring to make it look like a formula. So this is really the Passion Product Formula. But when I showed these logos to the people that are in my Amazon course, they didn't love these. They didn't think this really represented the product perfectly. So I continued my hunt for a logo, and I asked a friend, do you know a designer that might be able to help me design a logo for this program? And at $200, these are the logos that I had designed. And you can see that these logos are professional, but again, when I showed them to my community, they didn't love them. So I gave the designer some feedback, and these are the new logos that he came up with. He turned the two P's that stand for Passion Product into a circle logo and put the words Passion Product Formula underneath. And although both these logos look professional, they still don't really capture what I'm trying to convey with this logo. So finally, a little bit defeated, I decided to go to 99 Designs, and I spent $900 on this logo. Now, before I share with you this final logo from 99 Designs, there's two things that are really important to know. First thing is that a passion product is this idea that I came up with. And it's a product that you sell online, or a product that you create that you're actually passionate about, something that you love, something that you wish existed in the world. And what I found in my life is if you're selling something that you actually believe in, that you're actually excited about, you're gonna make more money than if you're just selling some kind of junk. And I learned this the hard way because I quit my job. I struggled for years trying to sell things online that I wasn't passionate about. And then finally, I launched a product that I actually was passionate about. And within 2 months of launching this product that I was passionate about on Amazon, I was making $10,000 profit every single month. That's $100,000 profit per year. So I want to make sure this logo conveys that idea of passion. The second thing you should know is that the way that 99 Designs works is they crowdsource your logo for you. And they tell all the designers on their platform, if that designer comes up with a logo that I like, that I'm willing to give them this $900 chunk of change. They do have different tiers starting at $300 going all the way up to $1,300. The more money that you pay, the more designs that you're going to get. And I actually used 99 Designs to design the logo of Performance Nut Butter, which was my first original passion product that was able to make me over 6 figures passive income. So I went through and I submitted my contest. They show me other types of logos to try to get a sense of which logos I like so that they can see what kind of design elements that I want in my logo. They also ask what kind of a color scheme do I want, as well as a description of what I want in my logo. I also shared some images of other logos that I like. And 99 Designs is the perfect platform to use if you want to get some graphic design done or a logo done, but you have no idea what you actually want. Because all these different designers are gonna use their own ideas, their own creativity to come up with a logo design. And with the 99 Designs contest, there's actually 2 rounds. For the first round, everyone just submits all their different ideas, and then you select 6 finalists, and you tell those 6 finalists, hey, here are the concepts and the ideas that I like. And in the first round of my 99 Designs campaign, this was the logo that I liked the most. So I told all the finalists that this was the logo to beat, and that they should try to put their own spin on this logo. I then received a bunch of other logo designs, ideas, and concepts, and now it's time for me to pick a winner for the new logo for the Passion Product Formula, my Amazon FBA course. And I want to ask you, which logo of these different finalist logos do you like the most? There is a link down below to vote. And 99 Designs did not sponsor this video, but there is a link down below in the description. If you are going to use 99 Designs to design a logo or to get graphic design done, use that link. It'll give you a cool little bonus. And I do get a small kickback from 99 Designs if you use my link down below. And make sure to leave a comment of what your favorite logo is, and I'll see you guys in the next video.